Hi guys, so welcome to Vlogmas day 24. Oh my gosh, I can't believe this is the second to last day. Tomorrow is Christmas. Today is Christmas for some other people, but for us Americans, it is tomorrow. And I can't believe that this is almost over already. This has been such a great journey. I'm currently wearing red because, you know, Christmas time. It is my rusty high neck sweater, my crochet sweater. I made it using Knitting for Olive merino and Knitting for Olive soft silk mohair, and it is so soft. I didn't block this at all, and it is very soft. Anyway, today I'm going to actually block my Ankers sweater. I know I said I wasn't, but I didn't do it last night. Hold on, my cat's meowing to get out. I know I said I was gonna block it last night, but I didn't, so I'm gonna do it today. And also, I'm gonna work on my sock. I cast it on, my Christmas sock. What, do I have it with me? No, it's not with me right now. I will show you guys it later. And that is all I plan to do. Block my sweater, knit my sock, and relax and watch bad action movies with my sisters. I'm going to be using this. A lot of people have asked me where I got this from. I got this from Amazon. It's called a portable sink. And literally, you just pop it out and boom, you have a big sink. It has this inside part where you can like twist it, or take it out and you can drain the water, but I don't ever use this function. You can actually twist it to close it and twist it to open it, but I just keep it closed because I just dumped the water. But here is the sweater waiting to be blocked, and the wool wash I'm going to use today is my Eucalan wool wash. It is the eucalyptus, I was about to say flavor, the eucalyptus scent, and it smells so good. It smells like medicine, minty medicine. I know that sounds weird, but like this smell is just, it smells so good. It's more minty, but it's like medicine mint. Okay, there's a lavender scent if I'm not selling you on this, which I'm not trying to, but it smells good and I like it. It's very big and it will go a long way. So I got this off Amazon. You can find it anywhere really, but that's what it looks like so that you can see. And if you want it for yourself, there are different scents. So time to get blocking.
It's cold outside, but the fire keeps us warm. We can spend the night underneath the mistletoe. And I've gotten you a present that I put under the tree. Tomorrow it is Christmas.
Okay, this is now blocking, and look at how drapey it is now. I don't know if you can tell, but I can tell. Like, I squeezed so much water out of this. Oh, now you can really see the different colors because of the dye lot. You can see it's lighter here, and then it goes into a darker color, and then this side, this whole side right here is darker. I wonder if you can see, you can tell here compared to that. Okay, so look at this one and then look at that one. This one looks pinker and this one looks like whiter, and then right here, this is where I use new skeins from different dye lot, and then right there. But I don't care about alternating skeins and stuff because I like my projects to just turn out how they turn out. But this is how it is so far. I'm gonna let it dry. Hopefully it dries in like a day or so I can try it on. Let me show you the socks so far. I'm using my sock bag that's Alex made for me. Okay, there we go. Okay, let me show you the yarn. Oop. The yarn all caked up and nice. Oh my goodness. And then this is what I started on last night. Not much, literally just the ribbing. I have like 5 more rows until I have to do the stockinette part. So this is what I'm currently working on. It's such a relaxing knit, and I only have to adjust a little bit because I have been using bigger needles, but it's always easy to adjust for me. This is a sock stitch marker. So freaking cute. I got it from Shop La Mercerie. But that's all. I'm gonna start knitting and probably watch movies with my family later on. Christmas movies, just because that's it.
The first for you and me. The snow is falling down and the storm is on its way. But as long as you're around, everything will be okay. 'Cause all I wanna do is spend this holiday with you. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for me and you. I've longed for this moment to have you for myself.
Guys, so you know, I've just been staring at this yarn. If you don't remember yesterday's vlog, I talked about making a dress. It'll be a silk dress, a silk dress version of Lord's dress. I want to start it now. Like, I'm gonna have to put my socks aside and just start this right now. It is used with one strand of this yarn, which is fingering weight yarn, and 3mm needles. So it's going to take forever. So, you know, I might as well get a head start on it, you know? I think that's the best idea. I think it is. And it's just staring me in the face. I love the texture of this silk yarn. I want to use it right now. And I'm in a casting on rage at the moment. And plus, socks are just side projects, you know? I'm not in a hurry to finish these socks. They can stay on the needles as long as they want. But this right here, I think I'm gonna start it. And I'm gonna use this as the project bag since it'll be big enough to fit like my needles. And I like to keep 2 skeins of yarn on me at all times. This bag is from The Love Stitch. She has a podcast here on YouTube called The Love Stitch Knits, and also a brand where she sells hand-dyed yarn and these bags. And it's just so pretty and so deep. Like, look at how big it is. This is a big bag. So I think I'm gonna start this right now. Yeah, right now. Let's get started.
Cabin out of nowhere, just us and no one else. I've decorated everything till we're perfect for this week. Tomorrow it is Christmas, the first for you and me. Another year went by, but the day...
I don't have enough. I need like 50 more, and I only have this much left. So I have to unravel it, unfortunately. But it's a learning experience, so maybe I will barely get this started today. I don't even know if I will even be able to get 1 row done in this video. Honestly. I'm going to cast this on again, and then I will come back when I actually have everything casted on, and then to go from there. And we'll see if I will get something done in this video on this dress. If not, you guys will see a lot more progress tomorrow, because I plan to work on this all week and into next week. I say all week, it's literally Friday. So next week, all week, I plan to work on it, because next month I'm going to be working on a lot of projects, and I don't think I will be picking this project up. So I would love to get some progress on this, especially since it's so thin, and just get a little head start so that when the time comes for me to pick it back up, I won't just be starting it, because I'll probably end up picking it back up in February or March. But we'll see. It just depends on how everything goes. So let me cast this on again and then come back when I have something. I did it. It is an hour later, but everything is casted on. I can't believe I have to cast on this many stitches, but it makes sense because it is worked from bottom up. So these are all of the stitches that I have on this 32-inch 80cm cable. And my sister Kahila showed me a way to wind my yarn before casting on so that I'll always have enough yarn, and I definitely have a lot left over, so I'll just roll this up and save it for when the skein runs out, and I'll just use it at the end. But now I can start. I also attached these stitch markers every like 50 or so stitches so that I knew for sure like that's 50, that's 50, that's 50, and I could keep count without having to keep count. And now I'm going to watch a movie with my family. I have no clue. Well, we're supposed to watch a movie right now. I'm waiting for people to call me and let me know, because if not, I'm going to start on this. And if I don't start on this, I'll go watch the movie and then I'll come back and do the advent and end off the video. But right now my plan is to start the pattern, because it has been 2 hours of me just casting this on. I need to just start knitting now. So that's what I'm gonna do, and we'll see how much I get done, if I get anything done. I am so excited. The dress is starting. This is what we're watching. An hour and some change. Well, it's like 2 hours later. That movie was so good. It's called A Boy Called Christmas, and it's so good. You guys should watch it. It's like this nice family movie. It was great. Anyway, I'm here to end off the video because it is time to do the advent. Day 24. So yesterday's colorway was very nice. I think it was the mermaidy color. It was a little darker, well, a lot darker than the day before yesterday's color, but it still faded nicely. Oh, the colors were so beautiful. So I'm hoping it's still on that spectrum, but we shall see. So let us open it. Please, please still be great. Please still be great. Close those eyes. Oh my gosh, Kahila said she hopes it ends off on green, and it is ending off on green. Okay, there's only one day left. So I'm assuming tomorrow is going to be super, super green. This looks so good. Oh my gosh. This is giving me sea, like the sea. Like, oh my gosh. I'm obsessed, because this is the color that is like, it's mixed with blue and green, and it gives off both vibes. You know, it's not too green, it's not too blue. It's almost like a dark turquoise in my opinion. But let me show you yesterday's color so that you can see how this faded from yesterday's. Yeah. Oh my gosh. This is fading so nicely. I can't believe there's only one more day left. So this is yesterday's color. This is today's color. You can see a lot of today's color in yesterday's color, like these light tones, the greens, the blues, because the blues and the greens are mixed in here. This just looks so freaking good. I am so excited for tomorrow. I cannot wait to see what tomorrow's color will be. I just know it's going to be so pretty. Tomorrow is the last day of Vlogmas, guys. I have filmed, edited, and posted a video every single day for almost 25 days. This is just so cool. But thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Remember to give this a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new and you haven't done so already. I'll see you guys tomorrow with the last video of the year from me. Bye!